Hey, welcome to another junior measurement video. Well, we've finally left area behind, and for the next quite a few videos, pretty much to the end of our series of measurement, we're going to chat about volume. And in this first part, we're going to talk about volume of a cube and cuboid. Now, the volume is the amount of space inside a three-dimensional object. So area was the amount of space inside a 2D flat shape. Volume is the amount of space inside a 3D shape. All right, the volume is the amount of space inside a 3D shape, and the 3D shapes we're going to focus on in this video is a cube and a cuboid. Now, a cube is basically like a box, all sides are equal, all dimensions are equal. A cuboid is like a box where sides are different lengths. All right, well, let's just take this cube for a moment and let's tell you it's made up of 3 by 3 by 3, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters. So let's break it up into its individual cubes. Each of those cubes is 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. Now, if you can count the number of cubes on the top layer, there's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cubes on the top layer. There'll be 9 cubes on the next layer and 9 cubes on the bottom layer. So we're going to say this cube has a volume of 27 centimeters cubed. 9 plus 9 plus 9 is 27. Now, 27 cm3 means 27 centimeters cubed. So in the area videos we've been doing for a little while, we've been doing centimeters squared, which is a centimeter by centimeter square. Now we're doing centimeter cubed, which is a cube that's 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. It's 3 dimensions, so we need a 3 instead of a square. All right, well, the volume of a cube or cuboid is just base times height times depth, which we can simplify in algebra to b times h times d. Some people like to go length times width times height. Some teachers prefer that, which would just be LWH. Right, well, in any cube or cuboid, we have a base, we have a height, and then we have a depth going back into our third dimension. If you prefer the other language, we'd say a length, a height, and a width. Right, so let's get into example 1 and let's calculate the volume of the following cuboid. So here we go, we've got a cuboid that's got dimensions 4 centimeters, 8 centimeters, and 3 centimeters. So all we're going to do is just go base times height times depth, which is 8 times 4 times 3. 8 times 4 times 3. Doesn't matter which order, by the way. You could go 8 times 4 times 3, 3 times 8 times 4. It doesn't matter that, because when you multiply, it doesn't matter which way around. So all you're basically doing is timesing the three numbers together to get volume. And we're going to get a volume of 96 centimeters cubed. Now, what does centimeters cubed mean again? Think of a cube that's a centimeter by centimeter by centimeter. Every side is a centimeter long. It's a small little cube, not very big. And I would need 96 of these to fill up that space of that cuboid. Right, calculate the volume of the following cube. It's 40 millimeters. It's a cube, which means all sides are 40 millimeters. So now we go volume is base times height times depth, which is just 40 times 40 times 40. Base times height times depth. And that gives us 64,000. Now, because it's a cube, all sides are the same. 40 times 40 times 40 is the same as 40 cubed, or 40 to the power of 3. So 64,000 millimeters cubed. What's a millimeter cubed again? It's a small little cube that's a millimeter by millimeter by millimeter, tiny little thing, and I'd need 64,000 of those to take up the space of that cube. Right, that's our first video on volume done, so thanks for tuning in.